Poverty, hunger, inequality are but a few of the world's oldest problems. What happens when we apply modern solutions to the world's oldest problems? Let's find out together at faithflows.org, where we leverage modern technology to engage, educate, and empower young people in impoverished communities who in turn act as change agents to elevate their communities. Our programs include a social impact networking app, accessible e-learning platform, community care drives executed by beneficiaries to care for the vulnerable in their respective communities, podcasts that inspire change, and upcoming environmentally friendly eco-hubs, small communities that are sustained by green resources for food, water, shelter, clothing, energy, and more, offer to transform and elevate the lives of the poor engaged in the informal economies of Africa. All delivered with love. Support us today. Follow, like, share, volunteer, and donate to support faithflows.org, a 501c3 nonprofit organization.